industry professionals, my name is Matt Richards with BZBGEAR. I am one of the videographers for BZBGEAR, and today we are going to be going over a quick little webinar about BZBGEAR AV over IP solutions. So let's go ahead and dive into it. First of all, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. Again, my name is Matt Richards. I'm the marketing and video production lead for BZBGEAR. My career started at Liberty University. I graduated with a Bachelor's of Science in Digital Media Video Production, and then I moved on to working at a local TV station, and now I'm working for BZBGEAR. So that's all about me, but you guys are here for this webinar, so let's get into it. AV over IP Solutions by BZBGEAR. All right, so why consider AV over IP? What are the benefits? Well, put simply, you get a lot of benefits from AV over IP. You get to do a lot of really cool things, like having KVM through LAN. You can have virtual AV matrix or video wall. All of that is being done by your local area network. So that's one of the main reasons why you would consider AV over IP. So what is the BZB benefit? What do you get when you go with BZBGEAR for your AV over IP solution? Well, first of all, versatility. That's going to be the big thing. We have a multitude of connections that are available on our AV over IP units, and you also get the ability to branch your AV over IP system to fit many needs. So whether it's a video wall, a matrix, or KVM solution, all of our AV over IP solutions can do that for you. On top of that, it's a very simple system. We try and make this as easy as possible, whether it's through installation or just usability. It's designed to be fast and easy to install, easy to configure, and simple to operate. Finally, UHD. So all of our AV over IP systems are 4K capable, and on top of that, you can extend those signals through the AV over IP system up to 328 feet, or 100 meters. So let's go ahead and actually get into the units that we offer. So the first unit that we offer is going to be our BZBGEAR MT. This is TAA compliant. In fact, all of our AV over IP solutions are TAA compliant, but this gives you video wall and KVM support. You get 4K UHD. This one is going to be supporting 4K at 60 input, but only allowing you to do 4K at 30 output. But it's a transceiver, so that means you can buy a bunch of these and decide which ones you want to be receivers and which ones you want to be transmitters. It's a 2-in-1 unit, very awesome for that. And on top of that, these are automatically discovered by our control unit. It's a PoE capable, HDCP 2.2, HDMI input and output, USB 2.0, RS-232, you get stereo in and out. Plenty of really awesome things with this unit. So I mentioned a control unit, so that's going to be the BZBGEAR CB. This is a smart control system for the BZBGEAR system. Again, TAA compliant, but really the big reason why you'd want to grab one of these is because it allows you to manage up to 1,024 transceivers at one time. That's a lot. Now, you probably won't be using all of those at the same time, but the big thing is it gives you access to an extremely easy to use GUI and mobile app. It's drag and drop. Everything that you want to do is just made super simple through this unit. It's also self-monitoring, so what that means is it's able to auto reboot to make sure that your system is going to be running when you need it to be running. This also comes in at $499, so fairly affordable for what it is. Moving on though, we actually have our BZBGEAR Pro. So the difference between this and what you just saw with the VOP units is going to be we've decided to basically split these up into receivers and transmitters. So this is the Pro R. This one is going to be your receiver. It's TAA compliant, but you get, because we've split it up, you get 4K at 60 hertz output. It's really awesome, extremely low latency. You're talking 33 milliseconds at the maximum. And you also retain the video wall and KVM support. So pretty much everything that you liked about the VOP units, you're getting, but you're also getting a little bit of some extra features like the 4K at 60. Has bidirectional IR, plus all of the same myriad of connection options. This only starts at $999, so a little bit of a price bump compared to the VOP units, but you're getting more out of it. Moving on, you have the BZBGEAR Pro T. This is going to be the transmitter unit. So it's the exact same as the R. The only difference is this is just going to be transmitting instead of receiving. So same price point, same everything. This is just your transmitter. Moving on though, we're going to have the BZBGEAR Pro C. And just like the AVOIP units, we have the C unit, which is going to be a control unit. Again, just an awesome device. This one you also have access to the mobile app. We've been doing a lot of work on these to make sure that your web experience, your ability to control these units is just so easy to do. Another big aspect of this is you're able to monitor the entire system in real time. So whether that's just making sure that the content is playing that you want to be playing, or if, for example, you have these set up to do KVM stuff for a secure computer lab, you can monitor what people are doing on those computers. You can make sure that they're not accessing things that they shouldn't be accessing, and it just makes your life really easy. This is going to be coming in at $549, and you also get the ability to do some custom graphic overlays, which is pretty nice. So, again, my name was Matt Richards. Really short webinar. There's a lot to cover with AV over IP in terms of getting into the weeds of how it works. But that is more better served for an actual video showing off the systems, which we have on our YouTube channel. But if you have any other questions that you would like to ask, don't hesitate to contact me. My info is right here on the screen. Or you can get into contact with some of these guys that are coming up on the screen here. Chris, Ilbron, or Matthew. All three of them would be more than willing to help you guys out. They do a lot of talking with customers, dealers, distributors. So they have a lot of the information that you may have a question about. So go ahead, don't hesitate to contact any of us. And on top of that, you can find us anywhere on social media, whether that's Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. We would love to have you guys engage with us on LinkedIn. But you can also contact us at info@bzbgear.com or support@bzbgear.com if you have a support-related question. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you in the next webinar.